Got too close. Knock you out. Oh, you're right. All right, y'all. So this week we're going to be working on our front stoop. To build this bad boy, as you see here, we ended up buying two 6x8 by 8 foot pieces of rough sawn lumber because we're going to leave it natural and unstained just for a good contrast to the house color that we ultimately ended up choosing.
You have to do it all there.
Well, I'm choosing to. Probably overkill. You know, Ron, the little move and wiggle doesn't work as well on a big old piece like that. Yeah. Alright, so now we're going to need a rotator.
Yikes.
No? Not enough? Oh, wow. Attempt one. No good. All right, so here we've made our measurements, as you can see, 1 and 2 attempts. And now we're just making the cut for what's going to be kind of the flat surface of our bird's mouth for where the cross beam is going to physically sit on these side mounts. Start going, just go.
Floor it.
During the framing process, we added some blocking on the back here, and so we're just screwing in here so that we can counter screw into the beam you see here. Look at that, Caleb. That's all you, dude. Here we're testing our head clearance just to make sure when you're rounding the corner as you're leaving, you're not going to be hitting your head. Too close. Knock you out. So maybe we can level that. I mean, we're like almost good nuts. Yeah? Almost. We're touching the line, no doubt. 2 screws on the outside here. On the inside. Hang from it. Yep, should be able to. You gotta trust your work. Any good carpenter does. Do we go eat lunch?
Yeah.
About to do another one? Yep. Oh, hell, man. Supposed to go all the way through? Are we not? No. Oh, you're right. And this is the silence of we've made a mistake and how do we fix it?
Three hours later.
Oh, maybe was that one. We could change our entire design to fit 24 inches.
Maybe a break?
Maybe a break? Oh. Did you have a break?
You guys,
Back at it. We just got done fighting a massive monsoon. Now we're gonna work on the stoop here. So today we're gonna be working on the header, the rafters. If I can get that done today, I'll feel really good. And then that means that we could just do the roof, flashing, and the roofing probably all the next day. So this is our rafter here. So really just gotta make sure that we get this cut done properly. Should be smooth sailing. So before we started drilling blindly, we got a measurement on the header of where the studs are that we're going to be anchoring to, and then we went ahead and drew where we're going to install the actual trusses for the stoop.
Freaking sap.
Oh, did it get you? Should I wait? Or should I just go for it? Money just stepped back in the house. Could just go for it. Do you want to hold or drill?
Hold. Got me more help than I thought I was going to need, per usual. Oh yeah, you're close. I think you're good. Yeah,
Good?
I think you're good. Yeah. You're like 1/8 of an inch off center. That's pretty good.
That's pretty good, I think. Easy peasy. Alrighty, y'all. Working on just our common rafters for the stoop. So what I'm using is a framing square. You can also use it with just a regular speed square. The pitch on our stoop is going to be a 212 pitch. We did the same that we did on the roof. What we're going to do is you put your 2 on the edge of your board, you put your 12, and this gives you the pitch that you're going to use for our bird's mouth or for our bird's eye. What I did beforehand is I created a template, right? So I got my measurement for where I need to cut it, and I've got my pitch here. My cut occurs at 29 1/4 from the bottom down to 29, my mark. So now I'll take a speed square. Here, I've got my template. I'm gonna line this up, cut my line. There we go. So this length here, I'm putting this onto a 6x8, and it's going on the 6 part, so it's about 5.5 inches. This is going to sit on the actual 6x8, and this is what's going to hook onto it. The end here, this is also cut at a 212 pitch, and same at the end here. So ultimately our 2 ends and our bird's mouth cut are all going to run parallel with each other. Just take a circle saw, finish it off with a hand saw, and I'll show you how we install it.